I have yet to get the year on it, but this is a Humphrey Radiant Fire made by General Gas Light Company in Kalamazoo, Michigan. I figure it's around circa 1920. If anybody knows better than that, then give me a call or send a message through YouTube and let me know. Weighs about 15 pounds. Didn't take too much to pipe it in. And I have the grate sitting on the workbench. But man, is it kicking some heat. Holy smokes. This ought to keep us warm during the cold Buffalo Bills games, along with the other 3 fireplaces I got.